This company made a spoon that's specifically designed to make it easier for people with disabilities to eat. Lapse footage of Thanos being created using a 3D printer. This is a washing machine that's designed for people that don't have electricity. These guys removed the back wheels from this car and replaced them with wheels from a cart. This is the Kelly Slater Surf Ranch, which is located right in the middle of California farmland. This giant device that looks like a train pushes water to create the perfect wave every single time. This is called a 3D zoetrope, which makes still figures come to life by spinning them really fast.